Ever feel like your vacuum isn't doing enough? It's messy, inconvenient, and doesn't clean everything. Leaving behind leftover dirt and grime, which requires another cleaning tool. But what if there was something better? Introducing the ROIDMI NEX Storm. The 2-in-1 cordless vacuum and mop that deep cleans your floors, leaving nothing behind. The integrated design of vacuuming and mopping together is efficient and saves time. The fiber wet mop uses intelligent slow drip technology that allows water to be absorbed. You can also easily replace the microfiber pad for cleaner floors. With its powerful digital motor and long battery life, you can clean more throughout the house. Charging the ROIDMI NEX Storm is easy. Just place it on the magnetic latches and it starts to charge. With a variety of different attachments and high suction power, you can virtually clean any surface, anywhere, at any time. Powerful enough to clean up mites. The ROIDMI NEX Storm's low noise and 6-layer filtration system, which acts as a purifier, keeps your home quiet, healthy, and fresh. The intelligent app control notifies you when the filter needs changing, how much host power is left, and reminds you when the dust is filled. The ROIDMI NEX Storm comes with a 2-year warranty and a battery replacement service. The ROIDMI NEX Storm is the next generation vacuum cleaner. Get yours today.